Welcome to Ponder, your local search engine front end, with the option to choose whichever search provider you wish. I like using Server, it's what Google uses for their results. You can see here, it's quite easy to sign up. And then once you get your API key, just paste it into the box. The same for Search XNG, Brave, Google, or you can use the automatic search, which uses Mojik, and the results aren't that great. Server's very good. There's multiple themes. You can switch to night mode or just a standard dark mode. Put it back on full screen so you can see it better. Here we go. Got the option to choose different backgrounds. These ones are bundled with the app, but you can choose any of your own. And you can change the transparency of the background picture. You can enable server mode as well, which means you can serve this out to your local network. So for example, you could have this running on your NAS or a mobile phone or a computer that's always on, and you could use other machines to connect to your IP address. When you enable this, it shows the IP address to connect from other devices. For example, if you connect from an Android phone, type that address into your web browser, and then from there you could click the three bars and install the page to your phone. So then you just have an app shortcut on your home screen, and that will just open the search browser. I'm working on an Android native version, but there's a bit more work than running on PCs or Linux. Just turn this off now. So automatic updates. There's a built-in favorites menu. I'll leave that there. A few other things. Let's have a look at the search results. So you can expand pictures and load a few more. Sometimes they take a while to load. I'm working on speeding that up as well. You can completely collapse images, and collapse web, collapse the wiki feeds, collapse the video feeds. Also has maps results, both in Google Maps and OpenStreetMaps. On videos, you can play directly by hovering over.
Hello everybody, today I want to look.
There's full YouTube controls.
In the 1950s and 60s, a top secret
From the home screen, you can disable specific functions such as wiki, maps, and web, and just search for images and videos of potatoes. There's also occasionally a Wikipedia summary that can be turned off in settings, just with this section here. So on numerous news searches, that will not show. To install Ponder, follow the link in the description below and scroll down, and you'll see the install commands right here. Basically, you just have to clone the repo, or you can scroll up and click on the green code button and then download the zip. Once you have the zip downloaded, it will look something like this. Basically, on Windows, you just double click install.bat and it will run. On Linux, you use install.sh. You'll then see on your start menu, if you scroll down to P, an entry for Ponder. Click that and it will just open in your default browser and start using it.